Today we're going to make a rapid zoom effect in DaVinci Resolve. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you have all of your clips on your timeline that you're going to be working with. Each clip has to be 5 frames long. Once you get those 5 frames long clips on your timeline, you're going to want to come over to your effects panel and you're going to want to search all folders. Go here and select adjustment clip and take that adjustment clip and bring it over to your timeline. Once you have your clip there, you want to adjust it so that it is over the first picture in your series plus 1 more frame, so you're going to have a total of 6 frames. In that adjustment clip selected, you're going to want to come over and look for transform. Take the transform and add that to your adjustment clip. With your playhead at 0, you're going to want to come over to your inspector. You're going to want to create a keyframe on that 0 point. You're going to go back over to your timeline. You're going to take your timeline over to the split, which is the first 5 frames. Go back over to the inspector. You're going to take the zoom to 1.2, and that should automatically create another keyframe. Once you do that, you go over to the animation and you change the motion blur all the way up. Now back over to the adjustment clip. You're going to want to take the adjustment clip and remove that 1 frame. Now you're back down to a 5 frame adjustment clip. With that adjustment clip selected, you want to copy that adjustment clip and paste it over top of all of the rest of your clips. Once you do that, you can then have your dynamic zoom effect.